Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. So in this video we are going to see the two functions in the PHP, that is the echo and the print. So first one we will see that the echo. So this statement is used to output the data to the screen or printing text on the screen. And similarly there is one more statement, that is a print statement. So this is a very similar to echo statement, a way of displaying the text. So echo and print both are using to displaying the text on your the output. So now we are going to program mode, then see some examples of echo and the print, then see that what is the difference in between the echo and the print. Here we use the XAMPP server. So start your the Apache and the MySQL server, then we use the bracket editor. So going to this program mode. So see, this is your the bracket editor. So here this is the one program which we have already saw in previous video. So here we remove this code. So first we will see that the simple example by using the echo. So see here echo. So first here we add the Nilesh Technology in double quotes. So same here, if you use the echo, Nilesh Technology is in a single quote. Okay, then see there is not an issue. Then for example you add the bracket, that is a parenthesis, then see there is not an issue. Same parenthesis and in a single quote. Okay, so first we test these four functions. So see, this is your the browser. So here we will see simultaneously on this output screen. So save these changes. So see here in simultaneously in this browser window. So Nilesh Technology is displayed 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So these 4 messages. Here we not using the BR tag or the /n. So that's why all these statements are printed in a one line. Okay, so see in echo statements is writing in a different ways. You can write either in parenthesis or without parenthesis, either in a double quote or in a single quote. This is not an issue. So same here, these 4 statements when you write by using the print function, then see here print and save these changes. So see here in background there is not a problem. So these 4 statements are written by using the print statements. Okay, so next one is that, so here we remove these 4 functions, then echo, we use the HTML tag here. So this is a Nilesh Technology and this message is in the bold tag. So this is a bold tag in HTML. So you directly use any HTML tag in this echo statement. So same here, one more statement. For example, this is the PHP and this is the H1 tag. So see here, save these changes. See in background, this is browser, Nilesh Technology and the PHP. Okay, so same statements here we write by using the print function. So save these changes. See here in background, there is not an error. So proceed to next section. So see here, this echo and the print are used by using the variable. See, for example, this value stored 10, and if you try to print this value by using echo statement, see here value is equal to $val. So $val is in a double quote. Okay, so same here echo value is equal to, okay, you can print this $val in outside double quote. If you try to print this $val in outside, then use this dot for the concatenation of this string and this variable. So this dot is used to concatenation operator. Okay, then echo. So for example, here there is one more value. So this is val1, val2. For example, this value stored the 20. This is value 1, value 1. And for example, $value1 plus $value 2. So save these changes, see in background. So first value equal to 10, value equal to 10, and 10 plus 20 is your answer 30. Then echo. So if you print this value equal to $val, and if you try to add the HTML tag here, start before the statements. So see here, this is a string, variable, string. Okay, so these strings variables are concatenated by using this dot operator. Okay, so see here, we save these changes. So see, there is an error, line number 8. This is a value 1 or the 2. So save these changes, value equal to 10 is in a bold. So use all this statement by using the print. So see here, print, again print, print, and the print. So save, Control S, see, all of these statements are work smoothly. Now we see that the difference in between the echo and the print. So see, first statement, echo. So this is the first string, first comma second. So this is the one string. So see here, save this. This is your output. Okay, but same strings you can write by using this way in a echo statement. So see, Control S, they work smoothly. Okay, so this type of a statement is called as a multiple parameters, which is separated by the comma. Parameters are work in a echo, but see here, if you try to print this statement by using a print function, then see, this is an parse error. So this is the one difference in between echo and the print. So echo can take the multiple parameters separated by comma, but print can take only one parameter. Then see, the second difference is that, so if you try to print the echo statement in a if, okay, so save these changes. See, there is an parse error. You cannot write the echo statement in a if or the any control statement, but here instead of echo, if you try to use the print statement, and see here in background, check work. So this work smoothly. So there is one difference. Echo has no return value, but print has a one return value, that is the boolean. If this statement is printed successfully, then they return true. So here check is printed successfully, so they return true. So if true, okay, if true, so this condition is a true, so it is going to this if statement and they print again work. So these two differences in between the echo and the print. So first difference is that echo can take the multiple parameters separated by comma, but print can take only one parameter. And second difference is that echo has the no return value, but print has a one return value, that is a boolean. Okay, otherwise you can write any statement by using echo or by using print. So students, test this code on your machine. If you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.